Hello guys, this is another episode of Maybe I'm Rambling. And now we're going to talk about the Suez Canal. Ever Given, the container ship has been finally freed. A giant container ship that blocked the Suez Canal for nearly a week has finally been free after a mammoth salvage operation. Tugboats honked the horns in celebration as the 400-meter long, 1,300-foot Ever Given was dislodged on Monday. Traffic is set to resume in both directions through the canal at 1900 local time, according to local authorities. Hundreds of ships are waiting to pass through. Suez, which connects the Mediterranean to the Red Sea through Egypt, is one of the world's busiest trade routes. Peter Berdowski, CEO of Dutch salvage company Buscales, said the Ever Given has been refloated at 15:05 on Monday, thereby making free passage through the Suez Canal possible again. The vessel was being towed for safety checks to Great Bitter Lake, which sits between two sections of the canal. To the north, where the ship gets stuck. The Egyptian President Abdul Fattah el-Sisi thanks Egyptians for the efforts in ending the crisis in the canal. Disruption to global trade will not end with the refloating of the Ever Given, according to Lloyd's list. There are currently more than 370 ships waiting to pass through the canal, including container vessels, tanks, and bulk carriers. Clearing that backlog is expected to take several days. Some ships have already left the region, preferring to take an alternative longer route on the southern tip of Africa. They'll be joined by other vessels traveling from East Asia to Europe, whose operators have decided not to risk waiting for the canal to reopen. Inevitably, cargoes will be reaching their destination much later than planned. There may be congestion where they arrive in port, while future sailing schedules have been thrown into disarray. The cost of shipping goods to Europe is expected to rise as a result. Industry experts are warning that knock-on effects can delicately balance supply chains could be felt for months to come. The 200,000-ton Ever Given ran aground last Tuesday morning amid high winds and a sandstorm that affected visibility. To refloat it, Boskelly has deployed a special salvage team, Smith Salvage Pippa-Direct. They first freed the stern with the boat following despite high winds. Approximately 300,000 cubic meters of sand were dredged, with a total of 11 harbor tugs and two powerful seagoing tugs deployed. On Sunday, canal officials had begun preparing to remove some of the roughly 18,000 containers on board in order to tighten the load. The containers are carrying a huge variety of items, and the insured value of the cargo is believed to amount to hundreds of millions of dollars. What happens next? Ship tracking website Vessel Finder reports no cargo vessels are yet to enter the canal from Port Suez at the Red Sea end. The Suez Canal Authority has warned that it may take up to 3 days to clear the backlog of ships stuck at both ends of the canal. Shipping group Maersk said knock-on disruptions to global shipping could take weeks or months to unravel. Meanwhile, the Ever Given will undergo a full inspection of the Great Bitter Lake vessel's technical managers. Bernhard Schultz, ship management, said. It said there had been no reports of pollution or cargo damage. Initial investigations have ruled out any mechanical engine failure as a cause of the grounding last week. The ship's ending crew of 25 remain on board the vessel are safe and in good health, BSM said, adding, their hard work and tireless professionalism are greatly appreciated. And that's it for Maybe I'm Rambling. Let me know what you think of the comments.